Creality 3D Scanner. Performance of professional measurement level, creating high accuracy models. One-click fully automatic completion of the scan. Get the complete model simply. It can also be picked up to scan complex objects flexibly. High precision matching algorithm based on color and structural features, realizing multiple scan automatic synthesis function. Intelligent wide-range alignment algorithm to ensure automatic matching without marker points. Eye safety of white LED light source, and scanning is faster and smoother. From 0.3 millimeters to 0.1 millimeters, the accuracy level is improved to ensure high precision details. 24-bit high-fidelity color restoration. Perfect support for color 3D printing. It can be uploaded online to connect with app. The intelligent processing of the model can be done online. Through the connection of 3D printer, there are a variety of built-in consumables to achieve the best printing experience. Let you get the perfect model with rich details. After printing, you can polish and color according to your preference to create your own artwork. It can be widely used in many fields, such as art design, medical, or industrial. Professional-grade high-precision 3D scanner, a sweep instant molding, so that the imagination into reality.